Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Spumatic back at it with another video. Saturday was a gorgeous day. I mean, you're talking 63, sunny, no clouds. So I wanted to cruise to my friend's place, JAMLAB Performance. Check my other videos if you not familiar with JAMLAB, but does all sorts of JDM work, all sorts of anything performance. So cruising over there, just got my GoPro excited, and didn't even think to mount it in a car. You know what I said? No, I'm just gonna cruise over there. I'm gonna save the little gas I have and just take a nice easy cruise and enjoy music. So I'm cruising down the highways of Mexico, and a beautiful, I'm talking a beautiful M3 F80 M3. That's the latest body style. Looks lowered, looks mean, all white, comes right in my rear view mirror, and I'm like, oh no, not now. Like I didn't even have my GoPro set up or anything. I just had it on the hand stick right on my passenger seat. So I'm like, I was like, at first I wasn't even gonna do anything, and then I don't know how it happened, how these things happen. We line up side by side. I think we did a total of 3 runs, and I got one of the runs kind of on my GoPro, but being new to GoPro, I don't know what I hit. Comment down if you know what I did wrong, but I had no sound on my video, and plus from holding it, every time I accelerated, like the stick was just flying down, and I had to hold the car. I think that was more important, but I was unable to get any good footage of the run from my perspective. So you're gonna see that film. It's really kind of you can't really see that much from my perspective, but luckily I went down to the good old the turnpike of Mexico later that night, and I met up with the same guy that we had the runs on the highway, and he was able to send me his clip. So that's the only good clip I have of our last, I believe it was our last pull. But yeah, it was a beautiful M3 F80. Those are twin turbo V6 engines, and they get pretty fast with boltons and E85 and stuff like that. So he explained to me he was on his E30 tune, and he could do a full E85 tune and make more power. I was on E85. My content was around E60, but I'm still on the base map. I'm only locked at 18 psi, but it was still a good run, and it was a fun run. And we talked. We both are into the same things in the cars and just doing it for fun. So we'll be doing another pull when he's on full E85. And we'll see how that one goes, but stay tuned for that one. That's gonna be on the channel, so click that notification button and subscribe, and you'll be the first to see the video and know how that goes down. Cool guy, his name is JR. Follow him. His Instagram is gonna be in the description below. And the funny thing is before I got the GTR, I was contemplating getting a M3 or M4 F80 and doing mods to that and seeing how that goes, just because I was looking for something with a little back seat just in case. And I ended up finding a good deal on a GTR, but the F80, the M3s were always one of my favorite cars, one of the most iconic sports cars throughout my childhood, and very beautiful, white with the red interior. Those things are just, you know, I'm just still gawking over them, and it was a good run. So check that out. Shout out to JR. Thanks for that video. He didn't have to do that, but you know, things just worked out. Stay tuned for our next run also. And I also included a clip just so you could get an idea of how fast his car actually is. Later that night he raced a bolt-on GTR on pump gas, and that was really a good run too. So check out that run, check out my run, and we'll just keep this going. And also I went down and seen some car hood rat activities, but again, new to the GoPro, it was too dark, not enough lighting, so a lot of the film I did get was garbage and wasted. But now I know I have to use a light or use another recording device, because the GoPro didn't do well in a dark situation. But I'll work on that, getting a light for it, and stuff like that. So slowly building up. Stick with me. The videos are only going to get better, and it's going to be tons of action. There's no way around it. So like, comment, subscribe. Spumatic Carz, and I'm still doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers. $100. We're gonna do that to a lucky subscriber, and through Cash App. So make sure you have Cash App and a valid email where I can get your Cash App from, and we can do it that way. So enjoy, guys. Here, guys. This is gonna get a little more serious. See. Okay. Let's see what we got. Ooh, YouTube? You in trouble now. Oh my God. The Hero 8. Gonna get some good footage in Mexico. Yes, sir. Woo, what else we got here? Head strap. Oh, nice. So when I'm doing my little fun runs in Mexico, extra battery, gonna need that. And we got ourselves a little handheld mini extension tripod. Pretty cool. And yes, the suction cup. This is what we gonna need for them fun runs in Mexico. We call this the gap cam. Now shout out to KoolieBKoolin, because that's where I got that from. Gap cam, KoolieBKoolin on YouTube. And memory card, only a 32, but I'm about to go get that big boy 256. Gonna have a lot of footage for you guys. Spumatic Carz, stay tuned. We in here. And I'm gonna wash my hands, disposable spots, and disinfect everything. Ain't taking no chances.
To try on it, I collect 3 Porsches, fill up G-forces, spitting blue flames, I'm talking big coupes, you're the white body, hugging 2 lanes, don't you try Audi, we spit the blue flames, we hugging 2 lanes, Try on it, I collect 3 Porsches, fill up G-forces, spitting blue flames, I'm talking big coupes, you're the white body, hugging 2 lanes, don't you try Audi. E85, tryna find one. You wanna race, huh? Put your VIN up. Bitches AAA. Yeah, we been up. Yeah, the car sound like it's a pickup truck. You're gon' need a helicopter just to keep up. We rev our engines, yeah, in front of the boys. We don't give a fuck. Car make too much noise. Wake the neighbors up. I love supercars. Where we pull up with superstars. In the garage, all them horses, it's like a mirage. Yeah, the big coupes, yeah, the white bodies, hogging 2 lanes, don't you try Audi. I collect 3 Porsches, fill up G-forces, spitting blue flames, spitting blue flames. I'm talking big coupes, yeah, the white body, hogging 2 lanes, don't you try Audi. Spit the blue flames, spit the blue flames, we hogging 2 lanes, we hogging 2 lanes.
You see how it's empty already? Just like right there. Not mine. But it used to stay for a while. I think your problem is the filter. That's brand new. I'll take that filter. I have that same filter. But you blowing up again.
Supercars, where we pull up with superstars. In the garage, all them horses, it's like a mirage. In the white body, hugging 2 lanes. Don't you try us, my collect 3 Porsches, fill up G-forces, spitting blue flames, spitting blue flames. In the white body, hugging 2 lanes. Don't you try Audi, spit the blue flames, spit the blue flames. We hugging 2 lanes, we hugging 2 lanes. You pissed off, spend all that money on your bodies, just size. We just passed you, we smelling the exhaust. That's what you get for trying to race a big bus. Should already know that GTR got big bus. On the 9-1, burning E85, trying to find one. You wanna race, huh? Put your VIN up, bitches AAA. Yeah, we been up. Yeah, the car sound like it's a pickup.